Coffee and Tools, we're back. This will be part two. We brought some lights. We're going to go into the garage today and pick through and just see exactly what's in there. Now I'm going to go down, let's see, I'm going to go down this driveway and get back to the garage, which is over there. So when I come back, we'll be at the garage. I'm with some lights so we can see a little better. Got this beautiful project car we got going on here. I don't know what kind of car that is, but yeah, there it is. The shelving here is mostly full. Looks like old kitchen stuff for some reason. A lot of it was just dishes and stuff all piled up out here. Really odd stuff. Let's take a look and see what do we got here. It's colorized stencils and stuff for for the walls. Strange. And we got our Christmas tree. That's a pretty piece of glass we got there. That looks like, I'm gonna take a shot and say it was a pressure. Yep, it was an old pressure washer, I think, that had been abandoned. Taillight off a pickup truck. And some more dishes and stuff. Now we're going to come over here and take a look, because this time we can see this roll top desk with some decent lighting, I hope, and take a look at it. That's that looks like it could be reused. I believe it's modern. It's not an antique desk or something. It's just a modern knockoff. But what a lovely project all the same. It's still a pretty desk. And we also have some industrial shelving over here in this corner. A lot of debris just thrown down everywhere. Really amazing. And we get a little, it's like a little Christmas tree in a bag or something here. A lot of Christmas stuff. And those broken plates I thought were black, I guess they're purple or something. They're laying here on the floor. And if I back up and turn around, there's I think that's let's see if I can figure out what is that. That's okay, some kind of old spray. Yeah, it's an old spray can. And I think they had, that is definitely for the pond out back for catching something, or some kind of animal trap. Some more broken pottery. Yeah, kind of a shame. Go down through here. Like I said, this time I can have a better look. And there's looks like it would be if it was fixed up, it would be a pretty nice looking old table that could be refurbished into something decent. Got to have your tennis racket out here. Absolute. And yeah, everything's in here, including the kitchen sink, I guess. And there's some bicycles. Looks like yep, definitely golf. Some old plastic sawhorses, and some kind of a bumper off a car, I think. I don't even think it's off this car. I don't know what that's off of. That is okay. That might be, that might be off this car. Don't know. I don't think it is. I think it's off of something else. Okay, we're gonna go back and head towards the other dark area I couldn't check the other day. Kind of wanted to have a look at the this back area, this studio or whatever it was, because this room was kind of a mystery, and now it's making sense with the light, because I can see there's vacuum line hoses for like wood tools and stuff back in here. There's a lot of a lot of stuff back here that I couldn't make out when it was so dark, but I could see there's just boxes just piled up and all kinds of cool stuff thrown around. So, there's an industrial cabinet here with again some more pottery and what have you, and a little gas can and some files and a lot of old paperwork. Now back there in the corner is the panel. And I can't really see the whole panel. Looks like a good sized panel. So they probably had some pretty good power. Excuse me if I'm making a lot of noise, because I'm sort of digging around here trying to get through. I can't quite see how big that panel is, but I've got it on the camera so you guys can probably see it better than I can right now. And a lot of books, and can't be sure what I'm looking at there. some kind of wash tubs and stuff. And oh wow, there's just, yep. Now, if you need a hand, I guess this would be. Oh yeah, that's yeah, that's definitely, yeah. Okay, and over in this corner, I've seen a lot of shelving up here, which is kind of nice cabinets for, you know, somebody put some nice cabinets in back here. It's a real shame that what's happened to this place. Guys, look, there's old wooden trunk here. Let's open her up and see what we got. Oh yeah. Well, I don't see any pirate treasure or anything really cool in there, but a lot of old stuff and cribbage board for some reason. Interesting. The really don't know the story of what happened to these folks, so it's hard to say. I hope nothing tragic happened, but it's possible. And it's, oh, there's one of those old jeweler's lights. The jeweler thing that was in there that you use for looking at small stuff. These are kind of hard to find item these days. Huh. There's some crazy rare stuff here. And I have no idea. Sewing kit with various wow, okay. And a box of nails, sandpaper. There's a big food cart here with some nice wheels on it. Looks like I'm going to say, yeah, definitely. It's wrapped in plastic, and it's one of those shelves you use at food restaurants, so that must have some history to where it came from. I'll take a look over here. Well, that's definitely looks like VCR material to me. Yep, old VCRs. And another old VCR there. Bed. And then back here in the corner, there's a really nice yeah, headboard and footboard. Yep, there's a whole bed assembly back in here. And let's see what else. Oh, there's a beautiful old wicker basket. It's humongous. It's a great big wicker basket for some reason. Yeah, let's take a look. And got some brand new pieces here. There's some file drawer back here. Let's have a look and see if they filed anything. You know, it won't open. Okay, cool. Let's see what I can do to get this open. Nope, won't open. Huh, it's probably some, you know, stash money, drug money or something back in there. Let's have a look at these cabinets. Yeah, they were well made in their day. There's a whole wall of these things around, and a couple of, I guess, really heavy doorknobs of some sort. Look at these things. They're beautiful, but they're heavy. This thing weighs a ton. Weird, really strange. Now we're gonna move over to the next door. Oh no, nothing behind door number 3. No. Wanted to look back in this corner a little bit too, just see what we can see. But a lot of tub storage, DVDs, CDs. Let's see, love songs. Yeah. Oh, it's still in the packaging, I think. Yeah, it's still wrapped. That's weird. Okay. And some more crazy stuff down here that's movies and media. Books. Yeah, let's see. What do we got here? The Federal Aviation Regulations for Pilots. Yeah, always need to have that around in case you go flying, you know. Wouldn't want to get in trouble. Looks like somebody had a nest back in here. Maybe. What do you think? Yeah, I'm going to take a guess and say rat's nest or mouse nest or somebody's been living back here. Boy, there's a lot of crazy old stuff. And then up here on the wall is a great big speakers, infinity speakers, no less. How about that? And the other one should be over there. It's not, so I don't know where I wonder where the second one went to. There's some kind of wicker coffee table and another desk or something down underneath here. Can't quite make out what that is, but take a quick look. And then there's some stuff wrapped up like paintings or something. So I think a lot of what happened with the burnt house, I think some of it was somehow stored over here. Hard to say. Let's take a walk down. Oh, here's one that's open. Let's take a look in here and just see. But yeah, I can't see. It's just paperwork and old music books or something. Man, these things are, yeah. Oh, there is a lock on these things right there. So yeah, they're locked up. They'd have to break into them. So, oh, and there's a 45. Yep, a whole stack of 45s. Yeah, there's some good records in there, good tunes. You know, I think the very top one is. That's kind of sad. Somebody's Christmas picture when they were a baby. Yep, and some old tires. Here's an old lamp fixture, made of like a blue glass or something. Just a lot of craziness here. This would definitely tell us something here, maybe. U.S. Army. Yep. Yeah, we get the plaques from the Army. So whatever happened here, this had a lot to do with. I will bet you something happened to the husband. Some more wickers that would match that coffee table that was back there. And then there's a lawnmower back here, which I kept tripping over. It's an electric lawnmower. That's what it is. I thought the shape was a little odd for a lawnmower, but no, okay, it makes sense now. And up over here on this steel shelving, there's some old family records and just a lot of abandoned stuff, man. Wow. It's a shame that something like somebody's life, comes to all this. And yet right here in this corner, for some reason, there's nothing. And I just find that kind of mysterious. Isn't that strange? Now, that, I have no idea what that is. Basket with a pole. Don't know. Maybe they were experimenting with antennas. I don't think so. And some fishing boxes, paint rollers. So, yeah. And, yeah. Now, the other thing that was pointed out, and I'm going to point it out too, is Texas had a lot of flooding, and because we're in Texas, one of the things you want to check is the wall boards right here and look for any trace of water damage or even a watermark, because that'll tell you the building flooded or the house flooded or something. And there's nothing. So although there's some water outside around the building, there's this apparently has not flooded in the last number of storms that have hit this area, and some of them have been pretty bad. Okay, let's check this. This is what throws me. This is the other garage, and it's basically, I guess, a tool room with car parts, some steel, heavy steel shelving, and that's a big old tub. And they've got a little bit of woodworking, and now there's a mystery. I wonder if he was mad at his wife that day and she's been looking for that shoe ever since. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, Domino's. Must have liked Domino's pizza. And eat Florida seafood. Okay. A lot of tools on an old bench here. Wow. That looks like the knife I'm missing. Anyway, there's some old flashlights and tools. Just a general muck of various things that you might have around the house that you throw down in a pile. And there's some old lights, kits, some transformers from something down underneath the tool bench. There's even more stuff. And there's some boxes of stuff. I don't know what. Be honest, I don't know what that is. I can't tell, but automotive, I think. If we go further up, we got the old boom speakers for somebody's car. And a tabletop from a restaurant, I believe, or commercial application. One thing, we've got a table base here that's looks like it's from a restaurant or something, and dartboard. And the hook with the plastic, I have no idea. It looks like the trees are starting to try to move in here. It's kind of getting I think there's a science fiction movie or something that showed something like this one time, It came in. Oh, the doors somebody put insulating panels against the old metal doors. So these were cheap doors, but they had thrown some insulation on. And for some reason, there was a cutout here for, I guess, an AC unit. I actually thought that was maybe somebody had vandalized the property, but no. They put a window unit in and they stuck it through the door of the garage. I guess to AC it, because it is insulated, so that's kind of cool. The door, let's see, door track is pretty much still intact. Looks like it's okay. So new doors and everything, and you'd probably have a pretty decent setup again. But you know, when you have a tool room, like he's got wooden blades and stuff up here, and he's got this little workbench and stuff here. If you have a tool room back at the back there that's so big, why would you have this? I don't, you know, I'm a little mystified over the thinking on that one. Oh, what's this? This is, what do we got in here? Box of nothing, just about, pretty much. Yeah, okay. That was exciting. Oh, good, lots of screws. If you ever need a nail or a screw, you just go to town. That's a nice dish tray, and that's from food service. That might even historically go back to that. Oh, wait a minute. Here's something really cool. Look at this hat. Boy Scouts, maybe. Army, I don't know. Anyways, that ends the tool room. Now, take a quick look back here so you can get more of a visual of it. And then this takes you into the this back room where this is where I would have had my tools, I would think. I just, like I said, I just don't quite understand. And there's a back door here. And there was no other door. Yeah, there's no other doors back here. And a couple tires. Got to have some good tires. Look like they come off a Jeep. And now check this guy. Check this out, guys. That's probably that pattern stuff that we were looking at on the shelf. But check this thing out. Check this stool out. This is really weird. It looks like it's nailed against the wall. You got 3 glasses on here. And if I come over here and look, it's missing a leg. So what's I guess it's nailed to the I guess it's nailed to the wall with the 3 goblets. Yeah, weird. And it looks like they were purchased at a yard sale because they still got the yard sale price tags on them, I believe. Or maybe one of the consignment stores. And back in here, I'm standing in the doorway, and you can see there's a fair amount of distance. So I'm not sure how deep this garage is, but it looks like a good 25, 26 feet, maybe 30. I don't know. It's trying to get the proportions here for the car to the garage. Not overly deep. Yeah. And then because it's a 2-car garage, how strange. And they've got the old automatic door openers and everything else in here. It's got a couple more cutouts, or somebody busted the windows out. Can't be sure on what happened over there. Could have been an accident or something that happened at one time or another. So, guys, it just gets crazy. Oh, wait a minute. I didn't even see that before. There's a trolling motor here for, you know, if you like to go fishing. And it's the whole setup, or the whole rig, with the foot pedal control and everything. Wow. And there's another giant black tub, but I take it they were animal lovers, because they seem to have a lot of animal related traps and cages and stuff like that around. Yeah. So definitely. And some more stuff over here that's just that's the work of mud divers. Look at that. That's pretty cool. And some more of the kitchen pottery type stuff in here. There's a lot of estate kind of thing just thrown in. Well, I believe you could probably have a yard sale here for a year and try to get rid of it all. I don't think you could do it. But, oh, fire extinguisher, got to have that up in the corner. Shelving that's pretty raw looking. Oh, interesting. Really amazing. Let's go outside and close out this one. But yeah, what I wanted to show you was just part 2 of the mysterious garage that had a lot of crazy secrets in it. Really strange. This is going to sign off on this one. This is part 2, of course, of the Texas edition. And thank you for watching Coffee and Tools. Please subscribe. See you guys.